On Wednesday, June 13th, the Board of Selectmen held a public hearing to discuss the Eversource Reliability Project. Now, Eversource intends to move 2 of the existing overhead transmission lines, which start at Baker Street in West Roxbury and near the Needham Junction train station, in order to place these transmission lines underground. Now, the members of the board wanted to hear from residents and answer any questions they may have. Here's Elizabeth Kalajian with more.
Residents are concerned about this project because of the potential electromagnetic field levels near their homes.
Where the manhole covers are and the exact placement is of great concern to many of us because they do not offer the same amount of shielding that these vaults do. And some of them are within feet of homes or feet of access to the Charles River.
At ground level, what is the exposure? I mean, we're very concerned about this, and I want to know technically if there's any way to shield these manholes, and if so, you know, to what extent, like partial shielding and, you know, that, I mean, this kind of thing. Are you literally open to these lines? Because my understanding is that the pavement above, and unless it's a certain kind of metal and all encased, that it's not going to provide any, you know, any shielding.
My concern is also EMFs. And I'd like to know from the town of Needham, actually, what your plan is if the testing shows that the rates are higher than expected. I hear from Eversource that that's unlikely. And I'd like to know also, like in a year, you know, are you going to come back and test?
If this thing does not achieve the tolerances that the results that they're telling us about, which are well below what are regarded as safety levels now, they're going to have to fix it.
Despite the concerns of Needham citizens, the Board of Selectmen unanimously voted to approve the Eversource Reliability Project, and construction will begin in late June. For the Needham Channel News, I'm Elizabeth Kalajian.